Amaphelo la ngozondo khubo noqondo mafunda bezitho nontanda kuphakanyiswa ngalolu suku namhlanje is Friday, is the 8th of October ke mntana omhle. Friday siyathaka namhlanje sincokola ngomba wethambo lomntu elisetyenziweyo lombelwa emzini ukuthi kweli khaya yonke nje into enizamayo ingambeli indawo kuba kaloku lento elithambo lomntu into esetyenziswayo kwezi ndawo. Omnye ngumthakathi omkhulu, lendlu yakhe uyisebenze ngethambo lomntu alibeka apha emnyango kanye lombele. Loo ndawo afuna ulibeka kuyo kwenzela uba noba uyanithakatha xa nithi nibuyisa izinto zibetha kwela thambo liqinile ke ithambo lomntu. Balisebenzisa ithambo lenyawo ke mntana omhle. Namhlanje ke kule academy sidilishana nethambo elibekwe apha kuni nilikhaya ukwenzela uba into zenu zingahambi. Niba ngathi nithi niyazama nikrwela phezu kwethambo lomntu bantwana abahle, akho nto ihambayo nomuntu ozileyo ozoninceda. Akho nto ide ithini kuba kaloku abantu bamayeza kusenzima uzenza ezinye zezi zinto njengayo lento odilisha nethambo lomntu. Bakhona ke abantu okuthiwa bayombulula bayakwazi ulikhupha ke lithambo lomntu ungaze yazi ke bangelinye ixesha xa begqiba likhupha lithwane kuba kaloku funeka likhutshwe liboliswe kujongwe ikhaya. Masingeneni ke kwi-academy ukwenzela uba singayitsali lento badilishana naloo nto phayana ku-group B. Masiyeni ke ubhela uzawudibana nani ngomso Saturday camaku.
Make sense?
Makes sense.
Yeah.
All right, ngizawuya ku question 1 ke ka group B. Your client came from Isangoma that told her that there is a human leg bone at the gate. It is this bone that is causing havoc lapha ekhaya. Nothing is happening. All plans are frustrated and no one progresses. Please help deal with this diabolical bone. So sikhulumile ke grouping yethu ukuthi kufanele sithole background from the client. Ukuthi kukhona yini lesangoma la sakwenda noma lesamnika kona. Nekuthi samsita in lesangoma, if singamsitanga asimsitanga ngani. Siphinde sithole i-background kuye nakathi, I mean, to understand ukuthi makathi nothing is happening, all plans are frustrated and no one progresses. What happens exactly? What do they see? What do they feel? What doesn't happen? So that was our assessment. And then we made an assumption that kusho ukuthi lesangoma samsita, but the problem persisted. So then sacabanga ukuthi we need to do pre-step 1 where simgeza lamayeza neziwasho abesebenzisile before for ukuthi simreset. So savumelana ukuthi sizohlanganisa umhlamba amanzi nomkhuhlu nofudu intelezi nencebeba intelezi bese siyawahlanganisa onke in equal parts bese siwafaka ku 20 liter emanzini asemlanjeni khona emlanjeni bese siyawasoka for 30 minutes while kusaphahlwa kusancengwa amadlozini bese siyamgeza. And then bese siya ku step 1. This question was a bit tricky for us in terms of ukuthi if sizangoma we would need to assess noma sihlole lokuthi what is happening exactly. Sikhona in the bone at the gate. Anyway, assuming that the bone is there, then our step 1 would be ukuthi sithole indlela lesingabulala ngayo or deactivate the effect of the deactivate the bones, bese deactivate its effect like khaya nakulabantu abal. So sivumelana ukuthi singahlanganisa imix yamayeza yokuchela yokuchumisa yokugcuma yokuphuza nokuphalaza. So our first step, and because this one could be tricky, maybe we could start by attacking it ngeziwasho so that because ikhona tilwane or ikhona imimoya enga-attackeki ngamayeza, so that we do an all-rounder. So iziwasho sicabanga ukuthi singahlanganisa bo-diesel, bo-cayenne pepper, bo-garlic, bo-mothball, camphor blocks, bawul, madubula, manyazini, ne-sunlight, salt, ne-acid. But to be careful on how we handle the acid. So senze for the first 3 days kuthi achele ngazo. Aphinde bagcume ngazo lapha ekhaya. And then after that bese sihlanganisa amayeza azo deactivate yonke into ekhona ebaleni. So in this approach siyezwa ukuthi thambo lomuntu leliseketeni. So sicabanga amayeza singawahlanganisa, amayeza alwayo aqosha imimoya nezilwane, aphinda anyathele. So sicabanga imboziso ukuchela ngayo, ngoba ibulala yonke into, ikhathazo nombezo. Ikhathazo nombezo ngoba ngilamayeza akhona kudila nezinto ezinkulu eziceda amandla, nempila, nomayime, nenyathelo, nobhoco, nentolwana. Ubhoco kuyena iyeza elilwayo but liphinde liklina ngaphakathi. Njengalo ngishilo lo step 1 wethu wamayeza sichela ngawo, phinde sende imbiza azoyiphuza, siphinde simfuthise, and then emva kwamalanga bese uyaphalaza ngoba asazi ukuthi leli thambo leli kangakanani. So we are trying to do an all-rounder ngekubulala leli thambo, siphinde sibulale na its effect phakathi ejaldini nakubantu abahlala la ekhaya. And then nomthuma that cleanses in all aspects, and it's also a repellent. Umpika iboni, especially in this case lokuthi asazi kahle lokuthi lembi mbamba yini, nephamba labathakathi, nesahlula amanye. And then in that mixture siyaphinda sifaka izimpinda, uphinda emuva, uphinda mshaye, nabonye kweziphinda. And then emanzini abandako sifake izintelezi ezilumayo ocitha ibhungu emredeni, ukuthi asebenze bageze ngawo ngamanzi abandayo, nabantu ngazibova. And then bese siya ku step 2. Our main goal, I think our main focus that the person is saying, deal with the diabolical bone, because sesikwenzile ukuyi-deactivator nekususa zonke izinyama nesicitho esibangwa ngileli thambo. Sibese sesenza ke amayeza okuvula enhlanhla, okuchela, nokufutha, nokugeza. So they are mainly izilawo, pupupu, and because bashilo ukuthi everything is frustrated, nothing progresses, sifake ovula kuvaliwe, ondlela zemhlobo, umhlamba amanzi, umgadankawo, nokuthi sikhona kugeza abantu bekhaya, sigeze futhi namadlozi. Then isifakwe nomhlonishwa nengwavu, and then phezu kwaloko ukuthi sivule izinhlanhla, mhlambe abantu abazofuna ukufuna umsebenzi, sifake noZeneke, noZekana, noRoslina. And then sibe sesicedile ke lapho, but because this is a case yokuthi mhlambe nazi sichubeka sikhuluma neclient yethu, sifuna ukubuka a total solution ukuthi lento ebeyingenile bese ayisabuyi, bese siyayivala. Sesingabuka ke nokucinisa ikhaya nabantu basekhaya ngamayeza okuphusela newenhlanhla. So sibuke ukuthi singahlanganisa obhoco, ovula kuvaliwe, ondlela zemhlophe, onyathelo ukuthi achubeka anyathele yonke imimoya ezayo, indabula livayo, umbezo, ilathile, insulansula, ukuthi isiza ukuthi enze labantu like abathandeki vele izinhlanhla nomthole nengwevuma novela.
We are 4 minutes. I will start with the usual comment. Yoti masingagibiselini onke amayeza paka amayeza abemaninzi. Mhlawumbe we'll have to but we spoke about into yethambo ne, because the intention apha kukudilishana nelithambo. How do you destroy elithambo? Because the major problem lithambo lomuntu elisegeyithini. Ndicinga mhlawumbe even if we don't really deal with it, because we've dealt with this bogey in its totality. So this is one aspect yethambo elisegeyithini. But let's break sibuye after a second, because we are left with seconds. Ningabaleki.